Hello there, again. Okay, today going to talk about scientists. In this age, we need scientists more than ever because the technology are rising, and the layman information, the layman intelligence are also increasing. So, if good, everybody must be a scientist in their own, meaning that they must have some scientific knowledge to some extent. Okay. For now, I'm going to talk about why we need microbiologists. Microbiologists is a discipline of biology which they study the microcellular organism, something that we cannot see by our naked eye. So let's get to the chase. So when you say about microbiologists, you wonder why we need to see something small. They don't bother us, right? Well, it actually bother us a lot more. They could harm us, but we cannot live without them. Something complicated that you must learn by yourself. But I will tell you a story about why this microbiology is important. There's one patient in Europe, I don't know which countries, is a cancer patient. He just survived a series of chemotherapy treatment. For all of you, you know that chemotherapy is actually a very painful process. But this guy has succeeded and managed the pain and has fulfilled all treatment, and he's managed to defeat the cancer, the tumor inside him. So to celebrate with all this, his family prepared a feast for him. So it's a seafood feast actually. So the patient, for information, a chemotherapy patient is a debilitated person, which means that his body is not strong enough, immunosuppressant, which means that his antibody is not good enough to fight anything. Even the common flu can actually kill him. So enough about that. So back to the story. This patient eat a fish cuisine, actually a salmon fish. So after the party went on all night, but the next day the patient was ill. He was rushed to the hospital, and a few days later he died. Why is that so? He just survived the cancer. He just survived the chemotherapy. Why did he die? Well, after investigation, he found out that the fish, the salmon that he ate, contains Listeria, a dangerous microorganism that there is an opportunistic pathogen. Pathogen is a foreign substance into our body. So Listeria in common people, in normal doses, it does not kill us. But however, in a debilitated patient like this cancer patient, it can be very. So how does microbiology related to this? Well, if microbiology was studied, there must be a policy. How to say? If microbiology become an important field, there will be a policy about food safety. So there should be some risk assessment on food supply. So a risk assessment is a assessment of of food condition. Suffice to say, food condition. So if there's a microbiology, and there will be a microbiologist. If there's a microbiologist, there will be a risk assessment on food. The assignment, to cut story short, was contaminated from two sources. One from the handling at the harbor, and the other one is preparation. During preparation, the food was actually contaminated with other organisms, which actually made the Listeria more stronger. In technical term, the Listeria actually gained stronger because by defeating other colony of bacteria on the same environment. So that's why when heated, the Listeria when cooked, the Listeria still managed to survive. and it survived until to the patient's stomach. So I think that's it. Okay, thank you.